उधर ज्यादातर बैंक्स भी इस बात से सहमत हैं कि ब्याज दरों में और कटौती की उम्मीद कम ही है। हालांकि जी बिजनेस ने जिन बैंक से बात की उनमें से एक दो का मानना था कि दरें अब भी गिर सकती हैं, लेकिन शॉर्ट टर्म में यानी आपके होम और कार लोन अगले कुछ महीनों में महंगे होने लगेंगे।
There is a feeling that the economy is beginning to hum along a little better, and therefore credit pickup, economic activity will grow from where it is now. It's a question of balance between demand and supply. If the balance continues to be as it is today, with a positive bias towards liquidity, then interest rates may not go up.
It's a very pragmatic approach. It is an approach to say that we have to watch whatever is happening on inflation, etc. on the one hand, and it's very comfortable liquidity on the other hand. So I think maintaining equilibrium is an approach that would kind of maintain the comfortable liquidity, give us scope to increase credit as and when the demand comes back. I actually think interest rates would just remain stable for some time, may not really change for some time.
RBI has made it very clear that what will be the inflation rate, and I don't think that the rates will go further for that. I think the policy is perfectly in order, and all of us will see the very positive scenario till October.
No, actually, there is no insistence that you have to bring down this thing. It all depends upon that. Hopefully, it all depends upon the bank specific cases. Whichever the bank which have taken that high cost liabilities, when they repay, there could be a scope.
I think further reduction is possible, and if the deposit rates we are able to contain to 6-7%, then there is no case why we should charge more than 9 to 10% lending rate. So over a period of time till December, I am expecting at least 1% further cut into the rate.
General feeling by the bankers have passed on sufficient benefit by reducing interest rate, which has also impacted their NIM. Whereas it's time the corporate should reduce the price and step up the demand. इसका मतलब ये है कि interest rate scenario जो है a present level में रहेगा.
We need a stable rate environment. Growth is of importance. Inflation is of potential concern, and so on, so which you've all read and seen. And they would like to maintain a low rate environment, but a healthy credit environment as well. So it's a combination of all of that. But I think the focus now is on managing growth and containing inflation. We are probably at a point where the interest rates are likely to remain around this.
इस बुलेटिन जाने से पहले हेडलाइंस।